Hey and howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink, and today we are going to be doing a quick walkthrough of this folio. So this folio is what I created using the tutorial pages that we have been working through most recently. So let's dive in. Alright, so I kept the cover pretty basic. This is a folio, so it's trifold, just like that. The front cover is just one of the Spellbinders Cinch and Go poinsettia flowers in gold foil. And then I backed it using some scrap pieces that I had from the collection in the same flower. And then these are flourishes. The big ones and the small ones are from Paper Rose, I believe. Again, I will do my best to link everything for you. These were from an Elizabeth Craft Designs die set. It's like winter greenery something. Oh, I'll have to look. It's from last year or the year before. Can't remember exactly. But I thought it added some nice detail. And then I just used some white pearlized stamens in the center of the flower. This was one of the cut-aparts. I just matted it on some black cardstock and then some gold cardstock, and I popped it up using some chipboard pieces that I had just to give it a little bit of extra dimension. And then I matted all of the like cover pieces on gold so that it kind of popped a little bit more. So my spines are very plain, so it's just gold foil and then some of the pattern paper from the paper pad, and then the back is again plain. It matches the front, except for it doesn't have, you know, the flower and the die cut and whatnot. So this is magnetized closed, so it will stay closed really, really well. I used like 10 magnets, 5 along each side here, so it's staying closed, guaranteed. And then this is the inside front cover. So this is just a tuck spot. Again, this was a cut apart from the collection, or from the paper pad. They were supposed to be tags. I'm really, really terrible at fussy cutting. So fussy cutting these like kind of scalloped tags was kind of beyond me. But they were also, the perforation on the paper pad was a little off, and so it kind of cut the top part of the rounded top part of the tags off. So I just cut them straight across and then rounded all the corners, and I like how they came out. I think they work well. And I just left this plain, so you can just put like a photo on here. And then this is a tuck spot, so you can tuck a photo up in here, as well as this one. So this is a tuck spot as well. And then this, as you'll recall, this was one of the pages that we created, and it is magnetized closed. Then when you turn it over, this again was one of the pages that we created. So there we have that page, and you can use this part here to mat a photo as well. These pages are pocket pages. I just have not put anything into them yet. I'm not sure if I will or if I'll just leave them plain. We'll see. But as it stands right now, you can, but they're blank. There's nothing in them. And then this was the other page that we have worked through on some of our tutorial videos recently. So this is just another cut apart from the paper pad. And then I created just a couple of slender tags. So this is a tuck spot. And then this opens like this. So you have photo mats, a couple places for journaling. So you'll have some good space there. And then when you flip this over like this one pops like this. So you have a bunch more space there. And then this is a tuck spot, so you have a little pocket here that you can put things into as well. And then I just kept the inside back cover kind of basic in that this is just a pocket, and then we have quite a few little inserts. So we have a bunch more of the little cut-aparts from the paper pad, as well as some extra tags. Here's some more of the cut-aparts. This is just a little, I had it going the right way, this is just a little mini book you can use for journaling or whatnot. And then this is just another mat that you can use. It's just decorated with an extra flower. And then we have this and another tag. This is again a tuck spot. And I just used one of my We Are Memory Keepers edge punches to create this kind of like lattice work look here. So that is the folio, the end result folio of the various pop-up page tutorials that we have been working on recently. So I hope you enjoyed. If you guys do have any questions, I think the previous tutorial videos where I showed you how to make these pages, I think kind of covers everything that you would need to really know about this. But please let me know in the comments below if you guys have any questions or comments. And as always, if you are interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thanks, everyone.